In today's journey, we're diving into the heart of digital evolution, the metaverse. Picture a boundless universe where reality and the digital world converge. A space where you can explore new cities, attend live concerts, or even work from a beach, all while sitting comfortably in your living room. This is the promise of the metaverse, a concept that's captivating imaginations and sparking debates across the globe. It's a realm built on the backbone of cutting-edge technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and blockchain. As we stand on the brink of this digital evolution, one can't help but marvel at the endless possibilities, the potential, and the unique challenges it brings. From transforming our online interactions to reshaping industries and consumer behavior, the metaverse is set to revolutionize our reality. But what exactly is the metaverse, and why is it generating so much buzz? The metaverse, in essence, is an expansive network of 3D virtual worlds focused on social connection. Now let's break that down. Picture a universe, not of stars and planets, but of interconnected digital spaces. These spaces are as diverse and limitless as our own reality, shaped and populated by its users. This is the metaverse, a term coined from science fiction, now on the brink of becoming our lived reality. So what makes the metaverse different from the internet as we know it today? Currently, our online experiences are largely two-dimensional. We scroll, we click, we watch. But what if we could step into the internet, walk around, interact with people and objects in a three-dimensional space? This is the transformative potential of the metaverse. At its core, the metaverse is about connection. It's about bringing people together in a shared digital experience that feels as real and immersive as the physical world. It's about creating a space where users can socialize, learn, work, play, and even create their own worlds. This is not just a new platform or a new app, it's a new way of experiencing the digital world. Imagine being able to attend a concert with friends from all over the world without leaving your living room, or walking through a virtual gallery, interacting with art in ways not possible in the physical world, or stepping into a digital classroom, learning from experts and peers in a fully immersive, interactive environment. These are the kinds of experiences the metaverse promises. But the metaverse isn't just about entertainment or socializing. It's about redefining the boundaries of what's possible in the digital sphere. It's about breaking down the barriers between the physical and the digital, between reality and imagination. It's about creating a new kind of digital space that's as vibrant, diverse, and dynamic as the physical world. The metaverse is more than a buzzword or a tech trend. It's a vision of the future of the internet, a future that's immersive, interactive, and boundless. This digital realm promises to transform our online interactions, transcending current limitations to offer an immersive, interactive experience. At the core of the metaverse lie several groundbreaking technologies. These technologies are the building blocks that give life to this boundless digital universe. Let's take a closer look at these foundations. Firstly, we have virtual reality, or VR. It's like a magic carpet ride that whisks us away into fully immersive digital worlds. Whether you're exploring the outer reaches of space or diving into an underwater paradise, VR transports you there without ever leaving your living room. Next, we have augmented reality, or AR. This technology is like a digital layer that gets painted over our physical world. Imagine sitting in your backyard and seeing a dinosaur stroll past, or having a virtual assistant pop up on your coffee table to help with your day's tasks. That's the power of AR. It enriches our real world with digital interactions, seamlessly blending the two. Then there's artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is the brain of the metaverse, driving the intelligence within these digital worlds. It's what makes your virtual assistant seem almost human, or creates lifelike characters in a virtual game. AI gives the metaverse its dynamic, responsive nature, making it feel real and alive. Finally, we have blockchain technology. Think of this as the security guard of the metaverse. It ensures transactions are secure and digital ownership is protected. If you buy a virtual mansion or a digital artwork in the metaverse, blockchain technology guarantees that it's genuinely yours. Each of these technologies plays a crucial role in constructing the metaverse. VR and AR create the immersive, interactive environments. AI breathes life into these worlds, making them responsive and dynamic, and blockchain ensures that our interactions and transactions within these worlds are secure and trustworthy. Together, they create a seamless, interactive universe. This is the metaverse, a fascinating blend of technologies that promises to revolutionize our digital interactions and redefine our perception of reality. Imagine attending a concert, exploring a new city, or even working from a beach, all from the comfort of your home. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, in the realm of the metaverse, it's not merely a dream, but a tangible, achievable reality. The metaverse is not just about creating new worlds or spaces, it's about redefining interactions and experiences. Take work, for instance. The pandemic has shown us that remote work is not just feasible, but, in many cases, preferable. Now, imagine taking that a step further. In the metaverse, you could create your own virtual workspace designed to your liking and collaborate with colleagues in real time, regardless of physical location. But it's not just about work. The metaverse opens up an entirely new dimension of educational experiences. Students could walk through ancient ruins, dissect virtual frogs, or explore the universe, all without leaving their classrooms. It's about making learning more immersive, more engaging, and more fun. And when it comes to entertainment, the possibilities are boundless. From attending virtual concerts of your favorite bands to exploring lifelike recreations of fictional worlds, the metaverse can redefine how we engage with art, music, and culture. But it's not just about solitary experiences. The metaverse is inherently social. It's about forging connections, meeting new people, and engaging in shared experiences. It's about creating a sense of community and belonging, even when we're miles apart. What's more, the metaverse could also help bridge the gap between the physical and the digital. People with mobility issues could explore new places, attend events, or meet friends, all without leaving their homes. It's about making the world more accessible, more inclusive, and more equitable. Of course, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The metaverse is a vast, uncharted territory brimming with potential. As we delve deeper into this digital realm, who knows what other opportunities we might uncover. The metaverse presents opportunities that we're just beginning to explore. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of digital interaction, one thing is clear. The future is here, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined. The economic implications of the metaverse are vast. In this realm where reality intertwines with the digital, an entirely new economy is set to flourish. One that's not bound by geographical barriers nor restricted by traditional business hours. This is the economy of the metaverse, a 24/7 marketplace where digital and physical goods coexist, and where the line between consumers and creators blurs. Imagine a world where you can design and sell your own virtual fashion line, or where you can buy digital real estate, build an online resort, and charge for virtual experiences. This is no longer the stuff of science fiction, it's becoming our digital reality. The metaverse brings forth new job opportunities we could have only dreamed of a few years ago. From virtual architects designing interactive 3D spaces, to digital artists creating unique assets for virtual worlds, to metaverse guides helping newcomers navigate this expansive universe. We're witnessing the birth of professions that didn't exist in our vocabulary until recently. But it's not just about new jobs. It's about new markets, too. The metaverse is creating avenues for digital goods and services, from virtual real estate to digital art. It's a marketplace where ownership and transactions can be securely tracked and recorded thanks to blockchain technology. Yet, the metaverse economy doesn't stop at the borders of the virtual world. It's also influencing our physical economy. Businesses are already leveraging the metaverse to reach customers in innovative ways. Consider the concerts held in virtual spaces, attracting millions of global attendees, or brands creating immersive virtual showrooms for customers to explore from the comfort of their homes. Now, it's important to remember that this new economy comes with its own set of challenges. How do we regulate this vast marketplace? How do we ensure fair practices? These are questions we'll need to grapple with as the metaverse economy grows. The metaverse is poised to become a significant economic force, reshaping industries and consumer behavior. As we step into this new era, we're not just spectators, we're participants, shaping the contours of this digital economic revolution. With great potential comes great responsibility. The metaverse, this digital evolution, is no exception. As we step into this brave new world, we're faced with a labyrinth of ethical questions that demand our attention. Let's begin with privacy. Our digital footprints are already a hot topic of discussion in our current internet age. Now think about the metaverse, where every action, interaction, and transaction might be tracked and stored. Who owns this data? How is it used? How can we safeguard our digital selves whilst enjoying the metaverse's immersive experiences? These are not just questions. They're challenges we must address as we venture forth. Next, we have the issue of data security. As the metaverse grows, so does its attractiveness as a target for cyber criminals. The potential for data breaches, identity theft, and digital fraud escalates. It's crucial to ensure robust security measures are in place to protect users and their digital assets. This is not merely a technological challenge, but an ethical one, as we must balance security with accessibility and ease of use. And then there's the digital divide. Today, access to the internet is still not universal. As we move towards a future increasingly intertwined with the metaverse, we risk widening this divide. Those without the means or knowledge to participate could be left behind, creating a new class of digital haves and have-nots. We must ensure that the metaverse is not just a playground for the privileged, but a shared space for all. Indeed, the metaverse is a complex ethical maze, one that we're only beginning to navigate. But remember, every challenge is also an opportunity. The opportunity to design a digital realm that respects our privacy, protects our data, and is accessible to all. A realm where technology serves not just the few, but the many. So let's ask ourselves, how do we ensure the metaverse is accessible to all, not just the privileged few? While the metaverse promises a new digital utopia, there are valid concerns about dystopian outcomes. The allure of a boundless, immersive digital universe is tempered by the specter of potential drawbacks. One such concern is digital addiction. As the metaverse becomes more captivating and engaging, there's a growing fear that it might lead to increased screen time and an unhealthy reliance on virtual experiences. Simultaneously, privacy concerns loom large. As we dive deeper into the digital realm, we leave behind a trail of data. Who controls this information and how it is used are questions that require serious thought and regulation. Lastly, the blurring of reality. As the line between the virtual and the physical world becomes increasingly fuzzy, it raises profound questions about our perception of reality, self-identity, and social interactions. How we address these concerns will shape the future of the metaverse. The road ahead is a blend of promise and uncertainty, and the choices we make now will determine the path we walk. As we stand on the brink of this digital evolution, your thoughts and opinions matter. We've explored the expansive realms of the metaverse, its technological foundations, the boundless possibilities it presents, and its potential economic impact. We've also navigated the intricate ethical maze it poses and pondered the fine line between utopian dreams and dystopian fears. Now it's time to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this new digital frontier? Do you see it as a revolutionizing reality or a step towards dystopia? Do you envision a future where your digital and physical worlds merge seamlessly? Or do you fear the loss of privacy and the blurring line between reality and digital fantasy? The future of the metaverse is not just determined by the technologists and innovators, but also by us, its users. Join the discussion below and shape this digital future together.